going to kill myself.
Don't say that. Okay, this is the last one I'm going to record. You gonna hold this for a second? Don't drop it, Kaylee. Jesus.
Oh, $200 camera.
Why don't you zoom out?
Because, just don't.
My hands are frozen.
Don't press the red button.
My hands are frozen.
Recording.
My hands are frozen.
I know mine are too.
My hands are frozen. Jamie, my hands are frozen. Jamie.
What?
My hands are frozen.
Kaylee, where'd that plane go?
I don't know, but my hands are frozen. It's right behind the fireworks.
Oh, is it? Oh, I see. Oh, thank goodness.
Are you guys ready to leave?
Yes.
Are you? Yeah. Okay.